Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can use the magic eraser on Motorola Moto G04 and the G04s. So of course you can use the magic eraser by Google, but if we try to do that, then you might see information that we need to have the 1 month Google One trial at least, of course, in order to use the magic eraser, in order to save the picture with that was edited by magic eraser. So instead of doing that, let's actually do something else. We want to go to the Play Store and then we want to find an app that is called Snapseed. If we install it, then we also get access to a feature that works pretty much the same way as the magic eraser by Google. So let's quickly install this app, and after that we can simply open it. Now we need to tap in the middle in order to load an image. I'm gonna choose allow limited access. Now we can choose the image that we want to edit, so I'm gonna choose this one. Let's allow, and we can dismiss this. One more time, let's choose the picture. Now we can switch to tools, and over here we have healing. So let's tap on healing, and then let's select the area that we want to edit out, and there we go, it is gone. Now we can tap this button over here in the bottom right corner, this tick, and then we can export. We can save, and there we go, photo save. We can press view in order to see the photo. Let's open with Photos app, and there we go. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.